Now in this video I am going to discuss the limitation on the number of stock units. Fine. So here cost is as it is, same function. This cost function is as it is same. But now the restriction is number of stock limits. यानी कि हमने जो restriction लगाई है वो number of stock units पे लगा दी है कि इतनी ही यूनिट हम स्टॉक करेंगे. Fine. So let capital N be the upper limit on the average number of all the stock limits. Average number, and according to the model number 1a, in model 1a, average is q by 2. This is the average. So that's why for the ith item average will be qi by 2. For ith item qi by 2. So that's why qi by 2 is the average item for ith item. So just take the summation I from 1 to n. So this is the total number of average units. But our restriction is that they should be less than n. So this is our constraint. So now our problem is this is the objective function and this is the 1 by 2 summation of qi less than equal to n. This is our constraint. So ये हमारा objective function हो गया cost function. ये हमारा number of units जो है ये हमारा constraint हो गया. फिर वही अगर ये हमारा क्यू आई स्टार जो हमने पहले देखा था, अगर वो इसको अगर ये क्यू आई स्टार हमारा इस क्यू आई स्टार अगर इसको सेटिस्फाई कर देता है, दैट मीन्स हियर क्यू आई स्टार इज गिवन बाय इन इक्वेशन नंबर 3. दिस 3 सेटिस्फाइज दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 9, देन दिस इज द ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन. अगर ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता देन वी विल यूज द लैग्रेंज मल्टीप्लायर टेक्निक. Lagrange multiplier technique means we will combine these two. So this is our first part plus lambda of this constraint, summation of qi by 2 minus n. This is denoted by f, Lagrangian function. ये हमारा Lagrangian function बन गया. Then del f by del qi is equal to 0 and del f by del lambda is equal to 0. So we get n equations from here. So these are the equations. Fine. And del f by del lambda is 0. So we will get this equal to 0. So we ultimately we have 11 and 12. 11 means total n number of equations and 12 is this. So again solve this equation with the help of hit and trial and get the solution. Fine. Now the last case number 3. Case number 3 is limitation on the warehouse floor space. यानी अब जो floor space है उस पर restriction है. So फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट ए बी द अपर लिमिट ऑफ द एरिया. टोटल एरिया जो है वो हमारे पास ए जो है वो अवेलेबल है, मे बी इन स्क्वायर फीट्स एंड सो ऑन. सो लेट ए बी द अपर लिमिट ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर स्पेस ऑफ अ वेयर हाउस इन स्क्वायर फीट. एंड नाउ फॉर द ith आइटम एरिया इज ए आई. इफ ए आई इज द स्क्वायर फीट फ्लोर स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 1 यूनिट ऑफ ith आइटम. तो एक यूनिट जो है ith आइटम की वो ए आई स्पेस घेर रही है. क्यू आई हमने टोटल परचेज किया है उसका, तो टोटल एरिया कितना हुआ ए आई क्यू आई फॉर द ith आइटम. नाउ टेक द समेशन फ्रॉम आई इक्वल टू 1 to n. तो ये हो गया टोटल एरिया, बट टोटल एरिया हमारे पास अवेलेबल कैपिटल ए. सो दिस इज अवर कंस्ट्रेंट. फाइन. सो नाउ अगेन दिस इज द कॉस्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3 subjected to this area. So this is now our problem. Again, if equation number 3 this qi satisfies this constraint, then optimum solution. If doesn't not satisfy, then again join these two and get this Lagrangian function, and then partially differentiate f with respect to qi is equal to 0 and del f by del lambda is equal to 0. So we get total n plus 1 equations and then solve with the help of hit and trial procedure. So this is the way to solve this problem. I think you understand the problem. Fine. Let us take a simple problem. So here is this problem, limitation on cost. So considering this model, consider a shop which produces 3 items. The items are produced in lots. The demand rate for each item is constant and can be assumed to be deterministic. No back order are allotted. The pertinent data for the item is given in the following table. So this is the table. So we have 3 items 1, 2 and 3. This is the holding cost, setup cost, cost per unit, yearly demand rate. So the holding cost for first item is rupees 20, for second item is rupees 20, and for the third item rupees 20. Now the setup cost is here 50, 40 and 60. Cost per unit is 6, 7 and 5, and yearly demand is 10,000, 12,000 and 750. 7,500. So now determine approximately the economic order quantity when the total value of average inventory level of 3 items is rupees 1000. Fine. तो 1000 rupees का हमारा जिस पे है. So let's see how to solve this problem. So पहले हम इसको without constraint solve करते हैं. Without constraint and then get the QI star. फिर हम उस पर रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाएंगे एंड देन सॉल्व करेंगे. फाइन. सो लेट्स सी. So QI star is given by this. QI star is square root of 2 C3I Ri divided by C1I. Fine. So this is, so Q1 star is square root of 2 into C3I. C3I is the setup cost. Setup cost is here 50. So 50 into Ri. Ri is the demand. Demand is 10,000. 10,000 divided by C1I. C1I is the holding cost. Holding cost is rupees 20. 20. Simplify this, we get 100 square root of 5, which is approximately 223 approximately. These are the number of units. Similarly for the Q2 star, data is given here, so we will get 219 approximately. Similarly Q3 star is approximately 212 approximately. Fine. So these are the number of units. Now total amount to be invested on the average inventory. फाइन. टोटल अमाउंट, क्योंकि यहाँ जो है वो एवरेज इन्वेंट्री है. सो एवरेज इन्वेंट्री, तो एवरेज इन्वेंट्री क्या होगा, QI स्टार डिवाइडेड बाय 2. दिस इज द एवरेज इन्वेंट्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय द यूनिट कॉस्ट. तो यूनिट कॉस्ट को एवरेज इन्वेंट्री से मल्टीप्लाई किया है आइटम की, और कितने आइटम है बराबर 1, 2 एंड 3, तो 3 समेशन लिया इक्वल टू 1 2 3. सो दिस इज द टोटल कॉस्ट, टोटल एवरेज कॉस्ट. सो हियर इज यूनिट प्राइस इज 6. QI star is here 223 divided by 2. This is for the first item. For the second item, unit price is 7 multiply by 219 by 2 plus here 5 and unit price is number of units is 212 divided by 2. So this is the total average 1965.50. But you can see this price is greater than 1000. Our aim is to purchase within 1,000 rupees, but this price is very large. So this amount rupees, this is greater than the upper limit of rupees 1,000. तो क्योंकि हमें तो 1,000 रुपये में करना है सब कुछ, but here we have almost double. So therefore we try to find the value of lambda. तो इसका मतलब अब हमें लैग्रेंजियन मेथड लगाना पड़ेगा, एंड लैग्रेंजियन मेथड के अकॉर्डिंग हमें जो है सॉल्यूशन निकालना पड़ेगा. फाइन. So this is the way. So now how to solve this problem? So when you apply the Lagrangian method, then what will be the this? So now when you apply this Lagrangian method, amount to be invested, first case, so what is QI? तब हमारा जो QI है वो ये है square root of 2 C3I Ri divided by C1I plus 2 lambda C4I according to this. So this is written here. So this is same as it is. Fine. सब कुछ पता है, लैम्डा अननोन है. So our target is to find out this lambda. Fine. So we will find out this lambda and then solve this, and we will discuss this in the next video. Thank you.